My people, I have stayed with my husband for 12 years and I don't have a child. He comes, two of us live together for 12 years and the family has been accusing me of not giving birth. And when I've gone to up and down to hospital, one hospital to the other, and I don't know what is wrong with me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Well, day, my people. See me, oh. Someone brought a story, and I want you to listen to this story. He said that he has been in this marriage for complete 12 years. No pikin. And he said, my husband has not been going to hospital with me. And when I look up and down, everybody accused me. All the places I have gone, there is nothing wrong on me. I went to prayer house to another. And one day, I met my ex. I was in tears because my husband, after talking to me that day, I was like, I don't know what to do. So what I did was, when I was going out, I met my ex. And something happened. He took me out, saw me crying, tried to make me happy. And before you know it, it was night. I called my husband and told my husband I will be going to my sister's house. And he accepted. Why I slept in that hotel with my ex. Before you know it, he just went once. And my ex traveled back because he has his family and they travel back to the state where he is. And after 1 month, I become pregnant. During this pregnancy, my husband will always be saying that if I born these children, that he will go and do DNA test. He don't know whether these children, this pikin is his own pikin. That how come? Because he quarreled me that day, and I went to my sister's place. I slept over. That he has been checking when I get the belly. That he don't know. That is that within that time that his spirit is telling him something. And inside my mind, I now know that my husband is have problem. And he knows that he has problem. So, and inside my mind, I said, okay, I'm going to give birth to this kid. And I'm happy. If he send me home, I'll be happy. At least for 12 years, I will have a child. So I didn't bother. And he didn't send me home. But when the pregnancy get to 9 months, my mother-in-law came and said that I wouldn't have done it alone. I should have told them so that they will know the person who gave me belle, this and that. And I told my mother-in-law, I said, you people, I don't know what you people are doing. I don't understand you people. My husband said that he's supposed to beat me. So I packed back to my parents' house. Before you know it, my husband came alone and said he needed the bride price. He needed his money back. And my brother ran around and gave him all his things. I gave birth to twins, a boy and a girl. And we were celebrating. But for me, that I have returned with pregnancy, in my place, when you return with pregnancy, you can't go back to that marriage. And that children, they took their bride price. It's not their children. And my family was not angry with me. They were happy with me, and I didn't tell them anything. So these children grew and they have become 5 years. During 5